Hi, this is me, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐫𝐢𝐵, and I'm a Cisco Master Trainer, Microsoft Certified Trainer, and I have past 5 to 6 year experience in the field of networking, as I provide training in Pakistan and abroad in both languages, Urdu and English. So today I just gonna share some of our training styles. So if you find it good, you may send a message so that we can connect. Along with it, we provide a live training and the self-paced training recorded videos. After training preparation, as you can get the exams so that you can pass certification exam. So from training till certification, and as you can say that we provide exam preparation of Microsoft as well, Microsoft training as well, like MCSC in both languages, Urdu and English, online training, language training. So this is how we provide the training, online training on Microsoft. Your class is scheduled and every update will be on class. And if you have any query, you can just send a message. Okay. This is our topology, which I made in Packet Tracer. This is the ACL lab. So in today's lecture, we just perform ACL. One is standard ACL and one is extended ACL. The basic difference between standard ACL is that you only provide one instruction that if allow PC1, so you may allow only PC1, but in extended ACL, you may provide complete instructions that allow PC1 to access this server, but deny PC0 and PC2 unable to do that task, but the rest of the thing will allow for PC0 and PC2. This is for extended ACL. So there is a basic difference. So here is the topology. Here is the router, and in the router, I use one network ID which is 1.0, which is common between R1 and R2. On R1, I use another network ID which is 50.0. Here I use 100.0. And with the help of OSPF, initially I converge my topology. You may check it. I think my topology is converged. I am right, because here you see the update which I received from my neighbor. This is our router ID, which is common. I received an update while advertising a common network ID. You can verify, show IP route. Okay, this OSPF is working over there. And here's the metric. Here's the administrative distance, and here is the metric, which is 65. How 65? That serial link cost is 64. Fast Ethernet link cost is 1. So total 65. Okay, I hope you understand that. Along with it, we provide packet reset topologies, some tasks. If you have any projects, so you can ping me, and I will, inshallah, definitely, I will provide my best to support you. Here is my details. You may find through email. Take care.